Hi, this is Vinod from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So we have one student. She got placed from some company. Okay, what's your name? Pa?
Sir, my name is Akshata. I completed BE in 2024 at Siddhartha Institute of Technology in Electronics and Telecommunication stream.
Okay, can you share your experience about this PySpiders thing?
Sir, actually, I came here to get any job like in IT field, and here I joined for becoming a Python developer course, and I have attended Python class and SQL class. It's been only 2 months, and here the boot camp and the screening is the best thing which I have experienced and which has made me to get placed within a 2 months itself. So the trainers are so well motivating and giving us a hope. And nowadays in IT field there is a saying that AI will come and there will be no job for testers and as well as developers. But trainers are giving us a hope that it will come, but till then there will be a job and all. So I have strong motivation now and I got placed. I'm so happy for that. And I can say proudly that I'm a PySpiders and got placed in 2 months only.
Good. Okay, pa. Thank you. Congratulations once
Thanks.
again.